Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume was taken in for questioning by Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZVAITWA, but later released. Sarabana mashoko in detail arikuya pakwana chibriefiwa the news hawks pamusoro aiwa the arrest emacolleagues Jacob Mafume pamchete nekukoliwa kwakaita for questioning chitiko chaita kuti chitrige aiwa vagari munyika yeZimbabwe vanyatso kuona kuti hapana kwatiri kuenda neministry yakadai. Ndoba subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na mzere mwabudanyi kwa mchinzi. Mafume was arrested with Harare Deputy Mayor Rosemary Moronda and former Harare South MP Shadrack Mashamombe, who remain in custody. The ZAC investigation is linked allegations of corruption and fraud involving land use, as well as broader corruption cases within Harare City Council. While initial reports suggest Mafume has been arrested and detained, ZAC said he was only caught in for questioning and let go. ZAC Communication and Media Liaison Manager Simiso Mulevu told the news house in calls, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission confirms the arrest of seat of Harare Deputy Mayor Councillor Rosemary Moronda and former Harare South Member of Parliament Shadrack Mashamombe on allegations of fraud involving the fraudulent sale of council land. They too are expected to appear in court soon. The developments occur amid an intensive investigation by Commission of Inquiry into allegations of corruption and mismanagement in the capital city's municipality. Mafume has previously faced similar legal challenges and suspicions from his role as mayor by the central government. Though my developments are kubuda panguva ine vanhu aiwa vanyatso kuona kuti aiwa naJacob Mafume amene kana tine kwatiri kuenda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti vanhu vakapopuwa warnings even a commission of inquiry, but it seems like now the corruption idzi vanenge vari kunyanya kudzifarira zvakanyanya. Pinda comment section medu zvafungura aim to dipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pamwe chete notamba bell icon.